Are you looking for the perfect cocktail for St. Patrick's Day? Then you're going to want to check out my version of Midori Sour. We're going to start off with a shaker glass with ice. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of the Midori, 1 ounce of vodka, and then 2 ounces of sweet and sour mix. Now we're going to just give it a really good shake. As always, you want to shake it for about 12 seconds or until it gets kind of frosty on the sides. Okay, we have our glass with ice, and then we're going to just strain it in. And then we're going to top it off with a little bit of sparkling water. You can also use 7-Up. And there you have it, my version of a Midori Sour. Now for more cocktails like this, you can go to my website, cocktailswithcody.com. And until next time, I'm Cody. See you soon.